Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to turn off other people's post notifications on X, previously known as Twitter, using the PC version of the app after the latest update. If you've been getting constant post alerts that clutter your notifications, this quick guide will help you take back control. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu featuring several options like Home, Messages, and Notifications. Go ahead and click on the Notifications tab. Now that you're inside the Notifications section, find the small gear icon, or the word Settings. Click it to open your Notifications Settings panel. This is where you can manage the type of alerts you want to receive, including likes, mentions, follows, and posts. Next, select Preferences from the available options. Inside Preferences, you'll see several categories that allow you to fine-tune your experience. You'll want to click on Push Notifications. This section controls which types of alerts are sent to you in real time while you use the platform. Scroll through the list until you find the category labeled Related to You and Your Posts. Under this group, you should see a checkbox or toggle next to Posts. If it's turned on, that means you're currently receiving notifications whenever certain users post something new. To turn these notifications off, simply uncheck or disable that box. Once that's done, you've successfully stopped receiving unwanted post notifications. You'll still get alerts for things that matter, like direct mentions and replies, but you won't be interrupted every time someone posts a random update to their feed. That's all it takes. Just a few clicks, and your notification center becomes a lot cleaner and more peaceful. Feel free to customize other settings in this same section depending on what kind of activity you actually want to stay updated on. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and share it with anyone who's trying to declutter their X notifications. Thanks for watching.